up.
What if you keep flying around? Maybe it's trying to help get water all over.
Yeah, that's why. See all the drift that came off? See, I'll just put her
Because it's trying to get water all over it to clean it. The elephant knows it, but it's trying to